Assalamu alaikum prep class. It's time for pre-primary mathematics workbook level 3. We have done page number 17. Okay, yesterday we had done that. Now today we will do page number 18, addition. It is same like the previous pages. Okay, here is one slice of orange and three slices of orange again. Now count. They are saying that here is one slice, add 3 more slices. Okay, 1 2 3 4. We will write here 4. Okay, now again 2 and add 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Same like this, complete the page. I know my students can do this easily. Now page number 19, they are saying that draw 4 more oranges in each set and write how many oranges. Okay, first of all, let's draw 4 more oranges. 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, 4. Now count. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here you will write 6. Okay, again draw 4. 1 2 3 4. Now count all and write here. Same like this you will complete this page, and I will check these 2 pages by tomorrow. Okay.